Hi everyone, we're the Canes. I'm Jerry,
And I'm Andrea.
and we have a first grader at the Augustine Academy. We just love the school so much. We just think that it's such a Christ-centered education. It really flows through all that the kids do at school, whether it's a Bible class or math class or science. It doesn't really matter. God is really at the center of that education. And the fact that it's multi-denominational is really helpful too. There's a lot of different input from a lot of different families.
Yeah, and along with that is this sense of community that I have never seen anything like it before. And I grew up in a private Christian education, but this really digs deeper. It really it has such a good framework to allow families to get to know one another, and the children all know each other in different grades. It's really, really lovely. And there's opportunities for just moms, for just dads, for families, like I said. So it's really, really very intentional in their model about how they keep the school connected, and really a beautiful picture of what we think the church is supposed to look like as a greater whole.
Yeah, and it's really evident that she loves school so much there. She goes to school, she comes home, and she just has a huge smile on her face every day when she comes back from school. In fact, one of the first weeks that she was in school, she came home and set up the chapel room in our office room and played school with her dolls. So it's evident if she's playing school at home, she must really love to be at school while she's there as well.
Yeah, there's so much joy. If she can't go to school for any reason, it's like she wants to be there. And so we love that part of it. So I just really want to stress there is just so much joy around school. And also the other word I would pick is just peaceful. There is no anxiety when we drop her off at school in the morning and she's there all day, and it's just such a wonderful feeling to know she's in the best hands, and there really is there's just no concern about the school, the staff, the teachers. Anyone who is there really has the best interests of these children and really, really, truly cares for all of them.
So thanks for listening. We hope you found this helpful. If you have other questions or want to learn more, please reach out to someone you know that might be at the Augustine Academy now, or attend one of their open houses. Thanks.
Thanks. Hope you check it out.